Conservation of biodiversity. The first step to protect our biodiversity is to conserve it. Conservation of biodiversity means the careful management of species of plants and animals and their preservation in order to protect them from extinction. For this purpose, these species have been put into different categories by the Red Data book. The book that keeps a record of all endangered animals, plants and other species is called Red Data book. This book is published by the IUCN, that is International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources, now known as the World Conservation Union, that is WCU. It is an international body to study and assess the global conservation status of plant and animal species. In this book, all the species are classified into 9 groups. First, extinct. Second, extinct in the wild. Third, critically endangered. Fourth, endangered. Fifth, vulnerable. Sixth, near threatened. Seventh, least concern. Eighth, data deficient. Ninth, not evaluated. Now let us study more about some of these species. First, extinct species. Species which do not exist on the earth now are called extinct species. Dodo and dinosaur, which existed long ago, are now extinct. Nilgiri, holly and crypancy are plants from India that have become extinct recently. Second, endangered species. Species that are at a high risk of getting extinct in near future due to decline in their number and drastic change in habitat are called endangered species. For example, Asian elephant, forest owlet, golden langur, blue whale, Asiatic lion, green turtle, and Ganga river dolphin are some endangered species. White cedar, Bermuda palm, and some orchids are endangered plant species. Third, vulnerable species. Vulnerable species are those species which are declining but are still in sufficient number. However, in the near future, they might enter into the category of endangered species. For example, Indian rhinoceros, king cobra, African elephant, snow leopard. Now, endemic species. Endemic species are some plants and animals which are exclusively found in a particular area. They are not found naturally anywhere else. For example, the Ganga river dolphin is an endemic aquatic animal that lives only in the river Ganga. The Asiatic lion is an endemic species found in the Gir National Park in Gujarat. The Nilgiri tahr is endemic to the Nilgiri hills. Now let us understand steps towards conservation of biodiversity. First, overgrazing by animals in the forest should be stopped. Second, large-scale cutting of the forest trees must be stopped. If it is very essential to cut a few trees, plant more trees in their place. Third, plant more seedlings on the deforested land every year during the rainy season to develop new forest. Fourth, Van Mahotsav should be observed by planting seedlings in large numbers. Fifth, forest fires must be checked by various advanced techniques like spraying fire extinguishing solution from aircrafts. Sixth, proper planning of land and water utilization should be done to ensure the protection of wildlife in their natural habitats. Seventh, soil erosion must be prevented by adopting various methods. Eighth, hunting, fishing and collection of wild products from forests must be controlled.